Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. Are you also preparing for placement and looking for previous year coding questions for different companies? Don't worry, in today's video I will be sharing Capgemini previous year coding question. Previously I have shared for IBM, TCS, Accenture, Cognizant and many more. If you need coding question for any other company, you can let me know in the comment section. The company which has most comment, I'll share for it first. So go now and comment. Before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement, then don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you will get the latest hiring updates plus placement material which can be very helpful for you guys. Like previously I have shared latest internships, then placement material like DSA, system design, resume related final year project which can be very helpful and many more. If you need any particular resource, you can let me know in the comment section. So in this video, you will get Capgemini MCQ questions, pseudocode, actual coding question, and most asked coding question. You can check out the previous like for TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, IBM, Accenture. Okay. So here you have the actual MCQ question which is asked in Capgemini for your practice. It has almost from all the topic like from complexity, what is the time complexity of inserting an element into a heap? Tell me the answer. Do you know? You can check it from here. Okay, answer B. And similarly, what is the following data structure that is best suited for implementing LRU? क्या होगा आंसर? Has table and queue. So like this, it has a MCQ for different topics. You can guess the idea like from which topic they can ask questions and you can be prepared before the actual exam. Okay, you have from computer network, from data structure, from OOPS, from SQL, algorithm, and many more important topics. Okay, so I have added almost 35 questions with these answers and little bit explanation. You can practice all these questions and then we have a pseudocode. With this, you will be able to identify what type of pseudocode can come and you can be prepared. You have to guess the output and here you have the answer as well as explanation. Okay, so you will get almost 11 questions pseudocode. Then you have actual coding question like write the code to traverse matrix in spiral format, count integer occurrence. Then you have prime number division checks, similar string check. Then you have a string count with minimum string compression, move hashes to front. Then you have most asked coding question which is asked like check prime number, binary search, reverse linked list, check palindrome, missing number in array, balance parenthesis, find duplicates in array. So if you practice all these questions now, it will cover most of the companies because these are the very common questions and asked in many companies. Only the logic is same, but the way of asking the question is different. So you have to identify, rotate an array, matrix identify check, and more. So go check it out, practice all these questions on different platform. You'll get easily on lead code or hacker rank, hacker earth, GFG. You can practice all these coding questions. Okay, and practice MCQ questions. I will add the link in the description. If this video was helpful, do like and subscribe and comment your views. It will motivate me to bring more videos. Okay, I will put 200 likes as a target. Like after that, I'll add more resources in the description. If this was helpful, you can share your views in the comment section. So thank you for watching the video. Oh yeah, wait, if you're looking for placement material like roadmaps, here you will get for DSA, system design, React JS, backend, Java developer. And if you're looking interview question, you will get CS fundamental and then tech based like Spring Boot, core Java, data engineering, front end, and many more. HR interview, cloud. Okay, सब कुछ है. If you need anything else, you can let me know. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.